Food security is a critical concern as the global population expands and natural resources dwindle. Smart solutions for more efficient farming, hardier crops, alternative sources of nutrition, and safer food packaging and storage are essential. No other single country, certainly not one as young and as tiny as Israel, has contributed more breakthroughs to this area than Israel. Since the 1950s, Israelis have not only been finding miraculous ways to green their own desert, but have shared their discoveries far and wide. Israel uses its groundwater and lake water, yes. But key to its water security are efforts such as drilling deep wells, massive desalination, reusing treated sewage for farming, finding and fixing leaks early, engineering crops to thrive in onerous conditions, implementation of high-tech harvesting techniques, discouraging gardening, making efficient toilets mandatory, and pricing water to discourage waste. Israel invented new technologies for drip irrigation. It maximizes water use. Drip irrigation has 95% efficiency, while flood irrigation only has 30%. It helps precisely control irrigation and deliver water uniformly. Moreover, with proper use, it has a lifespan of 25 to 30 years. Drip irrigation is part of their knowledge transfer with India under the Indo-Israel Agriculture Project. They are sharing their experience in designing, implementing, maintaining and using drip irrigation systems. It is already used widely in India. In fact, the country is the largest adopter of technology in the world. In many countries, landholdings are huge, and for best results, farmers must know the issues each part of the field is facing. In precision agriculture, satellite images can help you determine which parts of the field need more water, which plants have pest infestations, etc. This can help better utilize resources. So if one plant is healthy and the one next to it is not, we can maximize efficiency by only spraying pesticides on the diseased plant. But it is important to remember solutions like precision agriculture are just tools. They are not our objective. In Israel, labor is very costly, and precision agriculture helps workers focus on the problem areas. About 1/3 of the food produced for human consumption globally is lost or wasted each year. In low-income countries, most of that loss happens in the early and middle stages of the production chain. One problem is most of that loss happens in the early and middle stages of the production chain. One problem is that the majority of newly harvested grains and pulses get ruined by pests and mold before reaching the market. Israeli-designed GrainPro cocoons provide a simple and cheap way for African and Asian farmers to keep their grain market fresh. The huge bags, invented by an international food technology consultant, keep both water and air out. They're used in about 100 countries including in Africa, Latin America and the Middle and Far East. To keep bugs at bay, Israeli scientists developed an extensive range of pesticides and herbicides as well as non-chemical and organic biological control methods. In addition, they have adapted greenhouses to arid climates, developed plastic coverings for thermal disinfecting of soil prior to planting, as well as different colored netting for enhanced pest control. And let's not forget sensor-based technologies enabling farmers to grow more food, or the anti-drought remedy of hibernating plants. Indeed, a long and impressive list.